first is kailangan you have the concept of work. So,
Hindi mo ikaw?
okay. I would like to repeat again. Good morning. So this is the completion of our philosophy requirement. Fellow students, I would like you to listen to this short speech. So I'll start off with discussing about robots being humans and humans being robots. Amazingly that today our living, we can call non-living to be living today. What do I mean by that? So we have technology being advanced now. We can just swipe and tap and click our mouses and we can have the information that we want. We can just have communication in split seconds. We have social networking areas like Facebook, what do we use now? Twitter, we have Google, Friendster, what more? Tumblr. So Friendster was back then, right? This improvement is such an amazing work of our minds. And I would like to discuss one particular area that for the past 6 decades, mankind has been striving to build human machines that can be as humans and emulate the power of the human brain. The power of the human brain is very much different and very much complex. It's very much interesting that a lot of people took interest with it. They invented a lot of things, so it opened to the world of robotics. The world of robotics, as we know, was just a mere fantasy back then. It was just an illusion. We can just watch it in the movies like Terminator Genesis. We have what more? Transformers. We have Power Rangers. So we only see this in these comic strips, but now they are coming into reality and they are becoming real. So I would like to define what robot is now. According to Webster's dictionary, robot is found to be a machine that can act and perform functions of human beings. And this is a threat to us humans. And I would like to cite examples that are now very visible in our surroundings, like robots being teachers. We can find them in Japan. We can find them in Japan. We can also have the threat now in our course would be the doctor robots. Yes, we have already robots that perform surgery. So we also have cleaning robots, we have transportation robots. All along the line, we will all have the robots that can perform our functions. So come think of it, what becomes of us now as students who will be the future professionals? Wouldn't we be jobless like the others? So I would like to point out that let us prove to ourselves that we are the humans. We are not the robots. We don't become the robots, and the robots become the humans. Because we are not the robots that doesn't speak. We are not the robots who doesn't speak our minds. We are not the robots who keep silent. We are not the robots who go within the encoded system of life. We are the humans with the brains that enable us to live this planet and to invent and improve our technology. So I would like to challenge you all to pick up the courage and make the best of your capabilities, to turn yourself into something, future RMTs, future doctors, and I would like to dare you all to be different and to choose to be great. So I thank you all for listening. That's all.